Hi, my name is Abu Francis. I'm an architect, and I've conducted a workshop titled 12th Root of Two several times over many years. The idea of that particular workshop is to invite architects and architecture students to participate in a discussion on what is creativity and how do you really become creative in your design. The reason for these workshops is because there is sometimes a notion among some architects, architecture students, and young architects that creativity is a very spontaneous thing which comes out because something is there inside you which gets expressed outside. I'm sure some of that is true, but that's not the only thing which is needed. There's a lot of rigor, there is a lot of objectivity which is needed, there is a lot of mathematics. There is, in case of architecture, there is a lot of mathematics, there's a lot of geometry, there is a lot of fine objective calculation which needs to be made. In music, also, you need to really have that, in some cases, at least. At least you should know some very core principles, and we'll discuss all that. I hope the title 12th Root of Two should be intriguing enough to for you to start thinking, what on earth can this be about? I'm not particularly a great musician or even I think the best designs which I will come up as an architect is yet to come. So that is not the point. The point is that we really need to start understanding these issues here. And I hope that we'll enjoy these conversations. Thank you very much.